Hi guys, welcome back to Blogging Against YouTube channel. I'm James, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a custom email domain for free. Now, a custom email domain would be something, say your name at yourdomain.com. That is an example. Now, it could be anything really, but the entire point is that you'll be using your domain name as your email address. So rather than using the one you are used to, say name at gmail.com, it will now be name at yourdomainname.com. Now that is what I'll be showing you how to set it up, but for free. Now to do this, you will need to have a domain name, and if you don't have a domain name, you can get one on Namecheap for cheap, and I'm going to leave a link to them below. Okay, secondly, you'll need to have hosting. Currently I'm using their hosting, but you can also use HostGator's hosting or whichever hosting that you already have an active plan on. So to do this, head over to your cPanel and log in. Now from the cPanel, what you want to do is come, and then assuming now your domain name is already connected or pointed to your hosting, if not, come to the add-on domains and add it in. If it is your main domain name, then you're all set, but if not, just come to the add-on domains and then add that domain. After that, come find the email accounts and then just click on that option. Now bear in mind I'm using Namecheap's cPanel. In your case, it may look different if you're using any other hosting provider. So to do this, from the email accounts page, just simply click on create button. Then on the next page that follows, simply choose the domain name you want to create your custom email with. In my case, it will be now blogging again. Then in the username, you can now type anything. Now you're not limited. You can, like you normally find while creating a Gmail address, you'll always find that whenever you search for something, most of the times you'll find that it's already taken. Now with your own domain name, you can literally have anything. It could be your name, it could be literally anything. So in my case, I would go with blogging again, initials, that is BA, and then the security, I'll just simply generate. Then as you can see, it's strong, but I would add as well just a few of my characters in, just to make sure that I make it stronger. Okay, once that is done, make sure that you copy your password. Now obviously you are going to change this later, but find somewhere you can copy or save it for later. Then the domain name it will be for, so BA, in my case, bloggingagain.com. okay, that way you can always refer back to what password you have. Alternatively, you could just save it with any password manager you already have. Okay, for the storage, you can just leave it at 250 MB, that is already there, or just unlimited. Then come to this option, make sure that you also get that welcome email and all that. Then stay on this page. After the click, you can just leave that option unchecked, then simply click on create button. So find the custom domain you just created. In my case, it's here, and then click on the check email. When you do this, you're going now to configure a webmail client that you'll now be using to read your emails. So set whichever you want as default, or just simply click on one and set that default option later on. So for now, let's just go with this. Let's set that as default and go with round cube. Most of the times I normally go with round cube. I find that it's a bit easier to work with. Okay, as you can see, that welcome email is here. So okay, as you can see, the email, as you can see, we've got our own custom domain email. But at this point, you need to test to make sure that it's working, even though you know it is working. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to log into one of my Gmail accounts and then send an email, a test email, to now ba@bloggingagain.com. In your case, it may be the domain name, the custom domain email you have. So let's do that quickly. I am now in my again blogging Gmail address, so let's just compose a test email quickly. Okay, so then let's just send. Message has been sent. Let's now come to our webmail client around Cube, and now let's try and refresh to see whether it has been sent, and then we'll now try again to reply back. And as you can see, we've got an inbox of the test email we just sent. Okay, as you can see, it's the test email, and then from the email even address, the again blogging@gmail.com. So what we are going to do at this point is just to reply back to make sure that everything works and that we can receive emails from our own custom domain email. So to do this, let's just reply. Okay, let's delete that. Then test email arrived successfully. Okay, let's now send that. And as you can see, we just replied to that email. Let's go to the sent box. And as you can see, that email, that test email has just been sent. So now let's now go to again blogging and see whether that email has just been sent. And as you can see, the test email reply was successful. We could do this even again. Okay, let's send. Now back in our webmail client. Okay, let's now refresh. And as you can see, the reply also came through. So just one last time, let's reply back. Okay, let's send, and now let's wait and see that it's arriving in our Gmail account. As you can see, it just came in. So now the reason for all these tests is to show you that the custom domain email that we just created works. And so if you follow this process, you'll be having your own professionally looking custom domain email. Okay, that's it for this video, and if you got value out of it, consider hitting that like button and subscribing to the channel for more awesome videos. And until next time guys, stay blessed.